I came in thirsty, make coffee. Coffee maker did not work. Check my mom. She's asleep with pillows, so it should be safe if she falls. So the coffee maker didn't want to work this morning, but they came in doing some yard work. What I did was I stripped some wires, these wires here, to little strips. I'm still in my pajamas. There's no reason to change. I'm always here. So wire cutters, strip light tester, test the continuity here. It shows that these two wires, no connector. The brown wire goes here, which just comes out to the outlet there. So I did the liberty of stripping this wire into this. I strapped that into around this here. Now if I plug in the juice, it should turn on and not short out. Oh well, it's safe. It's only 120. Worst thing could happen, I get scared, scream, wake up my mom. If it works, well, coffee, breakfast. Let's give it a try. So let's plug it in. Make sure the switch is off. Plug this sucker in. Let's check this. Turn on the switch. Oh, there you go. Eureka. Oh, mom's coughing scared the crap out of me. I thought that was a coffee maker. Oh, perfect. It's hot. Time to make some coffee. See if it works. Hot, hot.